let's cover the last part of this section. So we already know that I to the first is just the square root of -1. In this case, we're going to just use an I. Okay. I squared, we've gone over. I squared is the square root of -1 squared, which is -1. I cubed is I squared times I1. So I squared is -1, and I to the first is just I. So this is -I. And then I to the fourth is I squared times I squared, which is -1 times -1, which is +1. So if you think of these, it's going to be I, -1, -I, and then 1. This is the way these four are laid out. The thing is, it's going to be repetitive. It's going to be a cycle. I to the fifth is I to the fourth, which is 1. I to the fourth times I to the fourth is 1. 1 times I is I. There's the first one. I to the sixth is I to the fourth times I squared. I to the fourth is 1. I squared is -1. So -1. There's the second one. I to the seventh is, and I always use I to the fourth because it's 1. I to the fourth times I cubed is 1 times I cubed is -I. So -I. And then I to the eighth is I to the fourth times I to the fourth, which is 1 times 1, 1. And then I to the ninth, I to the fourth times I to the fourth times I. 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So 1 times 1 times I is I. So you can see that it's cyclical. It's going to be I, -1, -I, and 1. How do we do this if we need to simplify powers of I? So if we have I to the 35th, I do not expect you to break it down in step by step. I'll show you an easy way that I like to do it. I'll take the 35 and divide that by 4. So 30, oh guys, my phone, hold on a second. I'm going to take 35 and divide it by 4. And I got 8. That's all I need to know is I got 8. So now I go 8 times 4 is 32. Subtract them and I get 3. Well, this is I cubed, and I cubed is -I. So I to the 35th is -I. It's the remainder that is going to tell you what it is. All right. So I want to give you one. What if you have to simplify I to the 124th? Okay. Pause the video, do this one yourself, and then come back. So 124 divided by 4 is 31. 31 times 4 is 124. You subtract them, you get 0. Well, this is I to the 0, and I to the 0 is 1. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Okay. Let's do one more. What if you get I to the 126? Just for something different. Pause the video, do this one yourself, and then come back. I'm going to take 126 divided by 4. 4 goes into 12 3 times. And then 4 goes into 6 once. So I get a 2. So that's I squared. I squared, we know, is -1. So therefore, I to the 126 is -1. I didn't do that over here. I to the 124 is 1. Because I didn't ask what I to the 0 is. I asked for what I to the 124th is. If you have any questions, please touch base with me. Make sure you've taken good notes along the way. And as you come up with any questions, you've got plenty of space over here on the left-hand side. Put your note, any questions you have that you need to touch base with me about, so you can let me know what help you need. All right, good luck.